In our previous exploration of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, we delved into the exciting array of newly added features, from deployable door handles to advanced driver assistance technologies. Today, we're taking a closer look at how to operate these updates and more on various variants of the Lyriq, ensuring that every driver can maximize their experience behind the wheel of Cadillac's all-electric luxury crossover. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Firstly, let's begin with how to operate door handles, a seamless ingress experience. One of the standout features of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is its deployable door handles, which offer a more familiar and intuitive ingress experience compared to the electronic buttons found on previous models. Mounted almost flush with the door panel and illuminated for visibility, these handles automatically pop open when the vehicle detects the presence of the key fob, simplifying entry for drivers and passengers alike. With the removal of the winglets that were previously used for door unlatching, accessing the Lyriq has never been more seamless and stylish. Next, advanced driver assistance. Super Cruise technology demystified. For drivers seeking the ultimate in convenience and safety, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq offers Super Cruise technology, a sophisticated driver assistance system that enables hands-free, stress-free driving on compatible roads. Activating Super Cruise is a straightforward process. Ensure adaptive cruise control is on, center your vehicle in the lane, and wait for the system to detect proper positioning and attention. Once engaged, Super Cruise utilizes precision LiDAR-mapped data, real-time camera sensors, and GPS to keep the vehicle centered in its lane while controlling braking and acceleration. Lane changes are also made effortless with Super Cruise, whether initiated by the driver or automatically by the system. By simply using the turn signal or utilizing the automatic lane change feature, drivers can seamlessly navigate traffic and maintain optimal lane positioning. Throughout the journey, the driver attention system provides visual, audio, and pulse alerts to ensure the driver remains attentive and ready to take control if needed, offering a balance of convenience and safety on the road. Next, rear camera mirror, enhancing visibility and awareness. Another innovative feature of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is the available rear camera mirror, which provides a wider, less obstructed view of the surroundings compared to a traditional rearview mirror. By utilizing a camera mounted on the back of the vehicle, the rearview mirror displays a clear and comprehensive view of what's happening behind the vehicle, enhancing visibility and awareness for the driver. With the ability to adjust the mirror using a pull or press tab, drivers can customize their viewing angle for optimal comfort and safety. Head-up display, keeping your eyes on the road. The head-up display, HUD, on the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq offers a convenient way to access important information without taking your eyes off the road. To engage the HUD, simply locate the HUD controls to the left of the steering wheel. Once activated, the HUD can display various information, including speed, key warnings, performance data, navigation, and connected phone information. Use the info switch to cycle through different display modes, such as speed view, phone view, navigation view, and performance view. You can also adjust the height and brightness of the HUD to suit your preferences, ensuring optimal visibility and comfort while driving. Vehicle software updates, enhancing your driving experience over time. With vehicle software updates, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq offers the flexibility to receive free enhancements, purchase new upgrades, and access refinements through over-the-air technology. To receive these updates, ensure your vehicle is connected to the internet and that you've accepted the terms and conditions upon delivery. Software downloads occur automatically in the background, and you can check the progress through the settings menu on your center display. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts to install the update, ensuring your vehicle is parked in a secure location during the installation process. Regularly installing software updates ensures you're always enjoying the latest features and improvements, making each drive better than the last. Climate controls, personalizing your comfort. The available heated and front ventilated seats, along with the climate controls, allow you to set the perfect driving temperature regardless of the weather conditions. Operate the front seat features using the buttons on the door or near the climate controls, and adjust between heating, ventilation, or automatic settings to suit your preferences. Additionally, the climate controls offer various options, including auto temperature control, dual zone climate control, triple zone climate control, airflow distribution, recirculation, and rear window defogger, ensuring every passenger can enjoy a comfortable ride, no matter the destination or season. HD rear vision camera with guidelines, enhancing safety and confidence. Parking and maneuvering in reverse is made easier with the HD rear vision camera with guidelines, which provides a clear view of what's behind your vehicle on the center display. Shift into reverse to activate the camera and utilize the guidelines to understand the vehicle's path as you maneuver. The camera also provides alerts for objects detected by rear park assist or rear cross traffic alert, adding an extra layer of safety and confidence to your driving experience. Keep the camera lens clean and clear for optimal performance, and rely on this feature to navigate tight spaces with ease. By mastering the operation of these recent feature updates for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, you can enhance your driving experience, stay connected with the latest technology, and ensure safety and comfort for you and your passengers on every journey. Whether it's accessing vital information with the head-up display, staying up to date with vehicle software updates, personalizing your comfort with climate controls, or maneuvering confidently with the HD rear vision camera, the Lyriq offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to elevate your driving experience to new heights. Understanding the Vehicle Info app. Accessible through the center display, the Vehicle Info app serves as a hub for monitoring your Lyriq's performance and energy consumption. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a dynamic 3D rendering of your vehicle, complete with interactive buttons for exploring different aspects of its operation. From monitoring tire pressure to analyzing energy usage and efficiency, the Vehicle Info app offers invaluable insights to help you optimize your driving experience. Monitoring energy usage and efficiency. The Energy Info screen within the Vehicle Info app provides a detailed breakdown of your Lyriq's energy consumption and efficiency. Here you can track factors such as energy usage, distance driven since the last reset, and the impact of variables like climate conditions and driving habits on your vehicle's efficiency. Additionally, the Energy Efficiency feature presents a color-coded graph of your vehicle's efficiency over the last 30 miles, allowing you to visualize your driving performance in real time. Maximizing efficiency with the Vehicle Info app. While the Vehicle Info app offers valuable insights into your Lyriq's energy usage, it's essential to use this information responsibly. Ensure that you're safely parked before accessing the app's features, as certain commands may be restricted while driving. Additionally, you can display recent energy efficiency data directly on your cluster for easy reference, providing you with real-time feedback on your driving performance and efficiency. Leveraging automatic parking assist. Another innovative feature available in the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is automatic parking assist, designed to simplify the parking process and enhance convenience. Using ultrasonic sensors located at the front and rear of the vehicle, automatic parking assist can automatically steer your Lyriq into parallel or perpendicular parking spaces with ease. Operating automatic parking assist. To activate automatic parking assist, simply press the dedicated button or access it through the center display. Once activated, the system will scan for available parking spaces and provide prompts to guide you through the parking maneuver. Whether you're parking on the right or left side, automatic parking assist ensures a smooth and efficient parking experience, complete with step-by-step instructions and visual aids to assist you along the way. Maximizing the benefits of automatic parking assist. While automatic parking assist offers significant assistance during parking maneuvers, it's essential to remain vigilant and prepared to react to changes in the parking environment. The system does not respond to unexpected obstacles or changes in the parking space, so drivers should always be ready to take control if necessary. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's sensors clean and unobstructed is crucial for ensuring the system functions effectively in various driving conditions. Navigating lane change alert with side blind zone alert. Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert is a cutting-edge feature designed to mitigate the risk of lane change collisions by providing visual alerts to drivers. Utilizing hidden radar sensors located in the rear corners of the vehicle, this system detects moving vehicles in your side blind zone or approaching rapidly from adjacent lanes. Upon activation, drivers receive visual warnings on the side view mirrors indicating the presence of vehicles in their blind spots. Additionally, turning on the turn signal prompts an alert, cautioning against lane changes. While this feature enhances safety, drivers should remain vigilant and always check mirrors and utilize turn signals before changing lanes. Optimizing performance with driver mode controls. Driver mode controls empower drivers to tailor their vehicle's performance to suit prevailing road and driving conditions. Accessed through the center display touchscreen, these controls allow users to select from various drive modes, including Tour, Sport, Snow/Ice, My Mode, and V Mode. Each mode offers distinct performance characteristics, catering to different driving preferences and environments. By leveraging driver mode controls, drivers can optimize their driving experience and maximize the capabilities of their Lyriq. Maximizing efficiency with regenerative braking. Regenerative braking represents a key feature in electric vehicles, harnessing kinetic energy during deceleration to replenish the vehicle's battery. In the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, drivers can activate regenerative braking through the Region On Demand paddle located on the steering wheel or by enabling one-pedal driving mode via the center display. This feature allows drivers to control the level of deceleration and energy regeneration, thereby enhancing efficiency and range. By mastering regenerative braking techniques, drivers can extend their vehicle's range and minimize energy consumption. Effortless charging with DC fast charging. When time is of the essence, DC fast charging offers a convenient solution for on-the-go charging. Compatible with public DC fast chargers, this feature allows drivers to quickly replenish their vehicle's battery during stops. The process is simple. Plug in the charger, follow the prompts on the charging station or mobile app, and monitor the charging status through the vehicle's dashboard. With DC fast charging, drivers can efficiently recharge their Lyriq's battery and embark on their next journey with confidence. Unveiling Google built-in integration. One of the standout features of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is its seamless integration with Google, offering access to a suite of familiar apps and services. With Google built-in, drivers can leverage Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play directly from the vehicle's center display. Google Maps, in particular, provides real-time traffic updates, automatic rerouting, and voice control capabilities, ensuring that drivers reach their destinations efficiently and safely. By signing in with a personal Google account, users can enjoy a personalized experience, including access to apps on Google Play and synchronization with Google Calendar. Mastering Controls and Safety app. The Controls and Safety app serves as a central hub for managing various vehicle settings and features, offering convenience and accessibility to drivers. Found on the infotainment screen, this app provides virtual controls for functions such as glove box release, power window lockout, headlamps, and interior dome lights. Additionally, predictive intelligence suggests helpful shortcuts, simplifying tasks like turning off lights or adjusting high beams. With the Controls and Safety app, drivers can customize their driving experience with ease, enhancing comfort and convenience on the road. Optimizing EV experience with My Cadillac mobile app. For owners of electric vehicles, the My Cadillac mobile app offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline the EV experience. From monitoring charge status to assisting with route planning, this app provides invaluable assistance to EV drivers. Users can easily view charge status, locate nearby charging stations, and receive notifications when charging is complete. Furthermore, the app offers personalized route planning, taking into account factors such as battery level, driving conditions, and real-time weather. With the My Cadillac mobile app, managing an EV has never been simpler or more intuitive. Streamlining charging with Charging app. The Charging app simplifies the charging process for Lyriq owners, offering a convenient platform for managing charging preferences and locating charging stations. Users can set preferences for their next charge, including target charge level and desired start time. Additionally, the Charge Assist feature provides a list of nearby charging stations, allowing users to initiate charging sessions directly from the app. The app also enables users to create charging schedules, ensuring that their vehicle is always ready when needed. With the charging app, Lyriq owners can take control of their charging experience and maximize the efficiency of their EV. Cadillac's commitment to innovation and excellence shines through in the array of new features introduced for the Lyriq 2024 model. With the integration of Google built-in services, including Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play, Cadillac enhances connectivity and convenience for drivers, ushering in a new era of digital experience within the vehicle. Google Maps, in particular, offers real-time traffic updates, personalized routing based on driving habits, and seamless integration with Super Cruise driver assistance technology, elevating the navigation experience to unprecedented levels of accuracy and efficiency. The Controls and Safety app further exemplifies Cadillac's user-centric design approach, providing a centralized platform for accessing and customizing various vehicle settings and controls. With predictive intelligence and personalized shortcuts, drivers can tailor their driving environment effortlessly, enhancing convenience and comfort on the road. Moreover, the Cadillac mobile app introduces a suite of tools specifically tailored for electric vehicle (EV) owners, allowing them to monitor charge status, plan routes, and locate charging stations with ease. By streamlining the EV ownership experience, Cadillac reaffirms its commitment to sustainable mobility and technological advancement, positioning the Lyriq as a frontrunner in the electric vehicle market. The charging app complements this ecosystem by simplifying the charging process, offering features such as setting preferences for the next charge, creating charging schedules, and locating nearby stations. With these innovative solutions, Cadillac not only enhances the appeal of the Lyriq as a luxury vehicle, but also sets a new standard for connectivity, convenience, and sustainability in the automotive industry. Overall, the integration of these features underscores Cadillac's dedication to delivering exceptional quality, performance, and convenience to its customers, reaffirming its position as a leader in automotive innovation and luxury. As automotive technology continues to evolve, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq stands as a testament to innovation and progress. By mastering recent feature updates and leveraging advanced technologies such as Google integration, the Controls and Safety app, the Cadillac mobile app, and the charging app, drivers can unlock the full potential of their vehicles. With these tools at their disposal, Lyriq owners can enjoy a seamless and intuitive driving experience, setting the standard for the future of automotive excellence. It's evident that Cadillac is committed to delivering an unparalleled driving experience that blends luxury, performance, and innovation. From the seamless operation of deployable door handles to the convenience of Super Cruise technology and the enhanced visibility provided by the rear camera mirror, every aspect of the Lyriq is designed to elevate the driver's journey. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long highway drives, drivers can confidently operate these advanced features, knowing that they're supported by cutting-edge technology and a commitment to safety. With the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, the future of driving is here, and it's more exhilarating than ever before. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then give us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.